Hi, here we are again to do operations with decimal numbers, divisions in this case, and we are in the third case, that is the general one, where the divisions in the division you can find decimal numbers in the divisor, like this. Okay, you have also in this example decimal numbers, decimal digits in the dividend. But the question now is that when you have decimal digits in the divisor, you cannot divide, and you have to avoid that. To avoid this, what we are going to do is to multiply dividend and divisor by the same number, by 10, 100, 1000, the unit following by as many zeros as digits, decimal digits you get in the divisor. So in this case, by 10. You multiply both so that the division doesn't change. When you do this multiplication, sorry, when you do this multiplication, you, in this case, you have to move the decimal position one place to the right. So now our new dividend is 158,156.462 divided by, and when you multiply 31.4 times 10, you get 314. Perfect. Divided by 314. And this is the division we have to do. And let's do it. Let's take the red pen. Okay. First, we take three digits because we have three digits in the divisor and say how many times is 314 in 158? Zero. Yes, because 314 is greater. The divisor is greater than the dividend. Then we need to take instead of instead of three digits, we are going to take four and say how many times is 314 in 1581. It is 5. Yes, 5. Then we write 5 and multiply 5 times 314 and subtract from 1581. And we say 5 times 4, 20 to 21, 1. 5 times 1, 5, plus 2, 7 to 8, 1. 5 times 3, 15 to 15, 0. And drop down next digit, which is 5. How many times is 314 in 115? How many times? 0, because 314 is greater than 115. Then we put 0, of course. Or when we can consider that we put 0 here and drop down next digit. Okay? Next, how many times is 314 in 1155, 56? 3 times. We put 3. 3 times 4, 12 to 16, 4. And we carry 1. 3 times 1, 3 plus 1, 4 to 5, 1. 3 times 3, 9 to 11, 2. And we draw down, oh, look, we have a decimal point here, then we add the decimal point to the quotient and draw down next digit, which is 4. How many times is 314 in 2144? 6 times. Times 4, 24 to 24, 0. 6 times 1, 6 plus 2, 8 to 14, 6. 6 times 3, 18 plus 1, 19 to 21, 2. Drop down next, which is 6. How many times is 214 in 2600? 8 times. Times 4, 32 to 36, 4. 8 times 1, 8, plus 3, 11 to 29. We carry 2. 3 times 8, 24, plus 2, 26 to 26, 0. Drop down next digit, which is 2. How many times is 314 in 942? 3 times. 3 times 4, 12 to 12, 0. 3 times 1, 3 plus 1, 10. 3 plus 1, 4 to 4, 0. 3 times 3, 9. So our division is exact, and this is our result. Okay, we can check that when you multiply 503.683 times our divisor, that was 31.4, what you are going to get is our dividend, which is 15,815 times 0.6462. Okay, if you do this multiplication, you can get that the result is correct. See you in next video. Practice, practice, and practice.